Here's Buzz Me Now app, and they have a new challenge. So if you tap in top right, this is called Buzz Unfiltered, where you can create your own challenge. So just tap plus to create your own challenge. And basically this is similar to some kind of like NGL, anonymous questions, or something like that. You can also add your own questions. So you can create this and then just record your answer. Volleyball. And just tap next. You can also trim this clip, volleyball. And then you can invite others to join. This is how the invitation link will look like. So that's how you invite other people. You can also delete this challenge. So yeah, that's a new feature. Try it out. It's not anonymous. So yeah, it's not like NGL, so you can post anonymously. But yeah, that